everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on fish. Fish live in water like oceans, lakes and rivers. They breathe through gills and not lungs. Fish come in many colors and shapes. They swim using their fins and tails. Some fish are big like whales and some are small like goldfish. Fish eat plants, smaller fish or tiny animals in the water. Most fish lay eggs to have baby fish. Fish are an important food for many animals, including humans. Some fish can live in both fresh and salty water. Watching fish swim is peaceful and fun. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.